These animals look completely fake. The Saiga's strange nose is a survival machine. It warms freezing air in winter and filters heavy dust in summer. The maned wolf walks on the longest legs of any wild canid. They help it spot prey hiding in tall grass. The thornbug's horn isn't decoration. It's a real defense trick that makes predators think it's part of a plant. The pink fairy armadillo lives almost entirely underground. Its soft shell lets it dig through sand like a tiny machine. Its hairy claws grow bacteria that help it survive toxic deep-sea vents. The Colugo glides with a skin membrane so large it can travel over 100 meters in one jump. The shoebill hunts by standing perfectly still, then striking with one of the fastest snaps of any bird. Follow for more epic creatures